Welcome to another video lesson. And in this lesson, guys, we will be talking about external calendar integration and sync. Now, this is actually very important to consider even before you start building or creating calendars sa loob ng Go High Level. Because this helps you to prevent double bookings. Okay? So, para maiwasan natin na mag-double bookings, kailangan nating isync yung Go High Level calendar with the personal calendar of your client or of the team and members. For example, if may Google Calendar sila, may Outlook Calendar sila, or may iCloud Calendar sila. So, kailangan nating isync yung calendars na yon sa calendars ng Go High Level para maiwasan natin yung double bookings. Okay? So, kasi may mga scenario na na-shock si client kasi doon sa Go High Level Calendar, bakante yung time slot na, let's say for example, bakante yung time slot na 8 to 9 a.m. Pero sa personal calendar niya ngayon, hindi bakante yung 8 to 9 a.m. So nangyayari, kakaroon ng conflict. So ito yung purpose ng external calendar integration and sync para maiwasan natin yung conflict ng schedule at the same time para maiwasan din yung double booking. So in this video lesson, since yung ginagamit ko personally is my Google Calendar, so I will be showing you how you can integrate your Google Calendar dito sa loob ng high level and how you can sync it para yun nga, para maiwasan yung conflict ng schedule at the same time maiwasan yung double booking. So once you're inside a Go High Level, there are two ways to access that. So pwede na dito sa mismong calendar. Okay, you just have to click on calendars right here and then you can go to the calendar settings. Okay, so dito pwede. Pwede rin siya na once you are here, you go to settings and then you look for calendars, which is andito siya. So same lang yan. Okay, same lang yan siya. And then ngayon, we have to make sure that my personal Google Calendar is sync sa loob ng Go High Level. So you go to connections, okay? And then here, I will choose myself kasi ito yung gusto ko na i-connect. Alright? Ito yung gusto ko na i-connect. So I will choose myself as the staff. So all of the team members, actually mag-a-appear siya dito as long as my access ka to view other team members. But on my end, since I am the agency owner or the account admin, then I can view kung sino yung mga staff dito. But again, for the sake of this example, I will be choosing myself. Now, once you scroll down, you can see already how you or where you can connect your calendar. So for this one, you just have to click on add new here. And then now you will have or you will be shown with options. So you can choose Google Calendar, you can choose Outlook Calendar, iCloud Calendar, or Calendly. So again, for this example, I will be choosing Google Calendar. So I'll click on connect. So once na na-click ko yung connect, you will be redirected to this page. So I will be using this email of mine. And then I'll click on continue. And then continue. Ayan, so naglo-load na siya. And now it's already connected right here. Okay? So makikita niyo yan dito na connected na siya. So calendars, connected calendars. Under calendar configuration, importante din to. So here you can see kung ano yung mga nakalink na calendar. So yung calendar ko from this email is nakalink na siya. But you also have the options to add more calendars to check na maiwasan yung conflict calendars or double bookings. For example, if I have another calendar na gusto kong tignan ni Go High Level, I can just click on edit right here and then I can click on this one and then I can click on save. Okay, so that's the purpose of the conflict calendar. It's not for another email address. Okay, just to clarify that, but it's for additional calendars within your Google account. So yun siya. Ganun lang kadali mag-connect ng Google Calendar dito sa loob ng Go High Level. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And guys, I'll see you on the next one.